Hi everyone, I'm Chaitanya teacher welcoming you all to the channel Maths Maharathi, the place to learn mathematics. As I promised, now I'm before you with the case study question number 1. So before answering case study questions, first we need to follow some steps. We'll follow it. The first step is be thorough with all the concepts learned. Not only in 10th standard, you may get questions from basics, that's from 8th, 9th also. And read the paragraph given and questions correctly. This is very, very important, right? And get the concepts related to the given question in your mind. Means after reading the question, you have to get the concepts immediately to answer, because you are having 4 questions of case study based, right? 4 questions. If each one, if you are taking 15 minutes time, means you have to read the question and you have to answer the 5 questions. So you may take 15 minutes time approximately you take up. And then 1 hour will go with these 4 questions only. And total number of questions are 36 and minus 4, 32 questions are there. So you need to save the time also, right? Time management is also very important. So let's start reading the question number 1. Mathematics teacher of a school took her 10th standard students to show Red Fort. It was a part of their educational trip. The teacher had interest in history as well. She narrated the facts of Red Fort to students. Then the teacher said, in this monument, one can find combinations of solid figures. There are 2 pillars which are cylindrical in shape, also 2 domes at the corners which are hemispherical, and 7 smaller domes at the center. Flag hoisting ceremony on Independence Day takes place near these domes. Right, first of all what we need to do is we need to underline the important points over here and make a note roughly in the rough margin of your answer script. 2 pillars, right? 2 pillars which are in cylindrical shape. So we will write pillars, right? Cylinder. Okay. And what is the next one? Domes of the corners, 2 domes of the corners, hemispherical, and 7 smaller domes. So next we have domes, right, which are in hemispherical shape. So coming to this, these 2 concepts, pillars means again cylinder means you have surface area and volumes. Surface area again 2 are there, right? Total surface area and curved surface area, and volume is as usual, right? 3 are there. And coming to this one, domes also, you have surface area, volume, and here it is total surface area and curved surface area, and this is as usual volumes. And he may ask you questions regarding the cloth required, right? Cloth or tarpaulin required, this type of tarpaulin required. Then what is the concept behind this is surface areas, right? And here it is a dome given, so usually here curved surface area we apply. And or else he may give questions on painting the domes or cylinders. So painting means what is the concept? Surface area, right? And then we go for volumes. Volumes means here directly he'll ask questions, or else he may ask the cement required to construct the domes. Let's start doing question number 1. How much cloth material will be required to cover 2 big domes of each of the radius 2.4, right? Cloth material required in the sense, what is the concept applied over here? Surface area. Dome surface area means curved surface area, right? 2 big domes, 2 CSA of the hemispherical, right? What is the hemispherical CSA? 2 into, right, 2 pi r square. What is r over here? 2.5 meters. Then we substitute here 2 into 2, that is 4, pi is 22 by 7, and r square 2.5 into 2.5. If you calculate this, you will be getting it as 78.57 meters square. So B is the answer for this. Let's go for the next question. See the second one, write the formula to find the volume of a cylinder, to find the volume of a cylindrical pillar. It's direct question. The formula, that's pi r square h. That's it. Moving on to the question number 3, find the lateral surface area, LSA. Find the lateral surface area of two pillars. Pillars in the sense here cylinders, right? To LSA cylinders of height. What is h is 7 meters and r is 1.4 meters, right? Then directly you apply the formula 2 into 2 pi r h, right? Then 4 into 22 by 7 into r is 1.4 into h is 7. When you cancel these two, you will be getting it as 123.2 meter square, right? So this is the answer for this, right? Okay, then moving on to the next question, that's fourth question. How much is the volume of hemisphere? Volume of hemisphere, right? If the radius is 3.5, radius is 3.5 meters, then volume of the hemisphere is, we know well, 2 by 3 pi r cube. That is 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r cube, that is 3.5 into 3.5 into 3.5 whole cube, right? So 7 goes here 0.5, and if you calculate correctly, you'll be getting it as 89.83 meter cube. Calculations are very important here, very important. Okay, then going to the next question, number 5, right? Here the ratio questions are given. Read thoroughly. Okay, what is the ratio? What is the ratio of the sum of volumes of two hemispheres, right? Sum of the volumes of two hemispheres. Two hemispheres, and the radius r is equal to 1 centimeter, and the volume of the sphere, volume of sphere of radius 2 centimeters. Then 2 into volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube is to, this is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Bigger r I taken because here it is a different sphere. So this is 4 by 3 pi r cube is to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi will be cancelled. So 1 cube into 2 is to 2 cube, that is 1 is to 8 is the answer. 1 is to 8 is the answer. So briefly, the some instructions to answer this one. In the mensuration, that is surface areas and volumes, first thing you should be thorough with the formulae, and you have to observe the units given, right? Observe the units given. Next is calculations, right? Substitution of the right values, that is also very important. Substitution of correct values, also very important. Okay, correct values, and calculations, right? Calculations, very, very important over here. So let's start doing some more questions on this concept, right? For practice. Find the volume of, find the volume of four pillars, right? 4 pillar is cylinder, right? Volume of cylinder of height 14 meters and radius is 1 meter. What is the volume of the cylinder? Pi r square h. Then 4 into 22 by 7 into r is 1 into h 14. Then 7 goes 2 times here, and this is 88 into 2, that is 176 meter cube, right? 176 meter cube. See, 176 meter cube, 176 meter square, right? Check it thoroughly and put the answer. Let's do this question now. Find the cost to paint the two pillars. Painting, right? Painting in the sense here curved surface area. Two pillars. Pillars in this question are in a cylindrical shape, right? Of radius 1 meter and height is 7 meters given. Okay, plus 7 domes. 7 domes means hemisphere. CSA of hemisphere of radius 1. So let's substitute the values. 2 into, we know this is 2 pi rh, right? plus 7 into 2 pi r square. Let's substitute the values here. 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 1, h is 7, plus 7 into 2 into 22 by 7 into r square is 1 square. So 7 gets cancelled. This is 44 you have got. 7 here also gets cancelled. Here it is 88. Right, that is equal to 132. Now the total cost here 1000 rupees given na, into 132 if you do, that is 132 3 zeros, so 1,32,000 rupees, 1,32,000 rupees. Okay, this is the answer. And going to the next question here, easy questions these are all, right? Find the total surface area. See here, total surface area in the sense, find the total surface area of 7 domes. If the diameter of each dome is 2, means you need to, there are 7 domes, diameter, right, 7 hemispheres. 7 hemispheres total surface area you need to find, where the diameter is 2 meters, means r is 1 meter. Right, CSA of 7 domes you need to find. So that is equal to 7 into CSA 2 pi r square. R is 1 into 2 into 22 by 7 into 1. 7 gets cancelled. That is 44 meters square, which is very easy. The thing over here is total surface area in the sense it's not 3 pi r square. He wants the total surface area of 7 domes if the diameter of each dome is 2 meters. Right? Yes. And then going to the next question, very important question this is, what is the increase in the area if the if the radius doubled? Suppose radius doubled, so if one is r, second one is r, increase, so this is going to be the bigger dome, right? CSA, what is the increase in the area of the dome? Means 2 pi r square minus 2 pi r square, because smaller dome it's increased, so what is this r here? Double r, minus 2 pi r square. So this is 8 pi r square minus 2 pi r square, that is equal to 6 pi r square. You need to observe over here there is no r, nothing. Right, why subtracted over here? It is here. You need to find out the increase one. So, subtraction is required. So, 6 pi r square is the answer. This type of questions are very important. Thank you, all of you.